Hi guys, just thought I'd post up a quick video just chatting about a job that obviously I don't do that often, but I thought it's worth noting just on the channel. A gentleman's inquired and he wanted this Lee white denim Lee rider jacket altering. He wanted they felt like the length was too long, so we're just going to be shortening it for him. Luckily it's not riveted on or anything, so fairly straightforward-ish. Just got to unpick obviously all the hemline nicely, and so it doesn't break any of the outside threads or fabric. And then obviously we're going to be shortening it by 2 inches, so obviously it's going to go a little bit closer to the button. Obviously we can't move the button up because we have the buttonhole there as well, so there's nothing we can do about that. But this was all discussed with the customer and he was fine with that happening. So there you have it, guys. So if you do have a denim jacket, we can do certain alterations to it. One of the ones we can do is we can shorten the sleeves, and then we can shorten the length of the jacket as well. And then sometimes we do taper the body in slightly, but sometimes it does make it tricky when you do have all this double stitching. Sometimes we do put darts in the body there just to give it a little bit of a cut into the waistline. On some occasions we can strip this down and then do it that way. Obviously it just takes a bit more time. So there you have it, guys. Yeah, so if you've got any denim jean jackets, need any alterations, drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. I'm on the Instagram and Facebook. You can find my social media links on the website. If you wanted to have a chat via there, get in touch. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. And as always, the main website is www.thedenimdoctor.co.uk. Yeah, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.